Good morning, good morning. So it is day 2 of volunteering here in Jamaica, and Billy's already off to the races. He was up at 4 a.m. so he's at World Central Kitchen. He sent me another video. Everyone over there is working hard already. By 5:30 a.m. those big pans were full of food, chicken and rice and all the things. So I am now heading off to Operation Blessing. I think today we are packing care packages for personal hygiene and baby care products, and hopefully later we'll be able to get into the communities and hand them out directly. I don't know, we'll see, but that is the plan. And yeah, day 2, we are off to it again, so let's go.
So it's day 2 for me. I got here about 15 minutes ago, but you can see we're already started. We're doing the last of the curry chicken now, and then we're doing chicken fricassee. So here's the team, we're already at it, bright and early, getting ready to rock. We got some rice going too. Let's do it. At 5:30 in the morning, we got all the chicken going. This one was just out of the bed. This one's going a little faster. 5:30, all the pots full and all the rice working. So a little bit ahead of schedule than yesterday. Off to the races. We're gonna start panning up the rice now. So it's about like 11 o'clock. We started grilling chicken, I don't know, maybe 6:30. We're done. We did, how many pounds we did? 800 something pounds. And tomorrow we're gonna do like 1,300 pounds of grilled chicken, jerk chicken. So I'm headed back inside to help with the curry chicken now. Get all that chicken, that's all ready for tomorrow. For the grill tomorrow. So we're on our 3rd round of curry chicken now, filling up the pots. It's just unbelievable how hard people are working here. I can't even believe it. I mean, I've done everything from pick up garbage, take boxes out, mop the floor, scoop up the product, which when you make all the chicken, it's heavy. You got to scoop it up into coolers and pans for transport. I mean, over here, these 2 chefs, this is for family meal that they're cooking, but it's just mind-blowing how hard people are working around here. It's just unbelievable. More chicken too, ready to go. This is gonna be for like brown stew chicken, right?
Yeah, brown stew.
Jamie and I just loaded up a bunch of them coolers, all heading out to transport spots.
It's been a good day. It's great to have somebody else from Connecticut here. Billy's been killing it.
This guy hasn't even had a day off. How many days?
It's been, I think this is day 10. We had Sean Paul come in earlier.
Yep.
He stirred the pot for about 10 minutes. And he's like, yeah, it's too hot. So it's hard work. And all these locals that Billy was been showing you, they are all just kicking butt, you know, supporting their community, supporting their country, and couldn't ask for a better team.
We be burning, not concerning what nobody wanna say. We be earning dollars.
I'm just sitting here after lunch. I literally having a hard time getting up. I was just talking to the guy that was shoveling me the charcoal today out at the jerk area. And he's telling me how he lost everything, how crazy the night of the storm was. He was trying to protect his 2 nieces, and his 2 nieces were asking why Mother Nature was doing this. And he just said to me, he said literally has nothing, what he has on, his jeans, his green shirt, and his boots. He literally lost everything. I mean, it's hard to fathom. It's unbelievable. People lost everything. It's heartbreaking.
All right, y'all, so I am here. The suitcases are all behind me, and we're gonna unload them and organize them right here, and then get them going into the care packages to go out today. All right, let's go.
Let's not be flow when the prayer gone up. Not a evil can harm us. Them think we don't when we just a warm up. Yeah, nothing I mind us. So me tell the youth hold on, tell mama be strong. Dutty, have faith in God, me no know about man. Long time them a try bring me down, and not just now, from a very young. Chat me every day with them funny tongue. Them a watch me on the telly now. Yeah, giving up now, we put our
packing our care packages, and we're about to head out into the community. We have, I believe, over 200 packages here that we're gonna walk around and hand out. And these packages are specifically for moms with children, families with children. You know, we're gonna give out diapers, baby bottles, formulas, you know, Pampers, wipes, toothpaste, toothbrushes, lanterns, flashlights, you know, just like really getting in there to those who are desperately in need and have absolutely nothing at all. And feminine products are in here as well too for the moms. You know, it's just, and elderly folks. We have a bag for the elderly folks as well as these black bags over here with adult diapers and, you know, wipes and just stuff for the folks. So I'm ready to get out there. I'm ready to hand it out to them, and we're about to pack them into the car and head into the community. So yeah, let's go.
Oh God, me island cry, but we still rise, Jamaica strong.
Everybody's okay?
Yeah.
Everybody prayed before going to bed last night?
Yeah.
Let me see your hand if you tell God thank you for the stuff that you got. Good job. So it doesn't matter what we do, we cannot leave God out of it, right?
That's right.
What did I say? We cannot leave God out of it because all of it is possible through the grace of God. It's not us that are doing it. Who is doing all of it? Me. God.
God.
If I ever forget to hold your hand, no, we can feel like forever we've been struggling. Your love is our strength. Together we're resilient. No man can feel a woman's pain. I'll be here with you always. And we have something that's real. We will live forever in this love that we feel. And if I ever forget to,
Kendra, you're 7 months old. I brought some stuff for you. Are you excited to get some diapers and some wipes? Yeah. So what happened to your house? Like, can you tell me a little bit more?
So you don't have any baby clothes? No, nothing really. Yeah. Yeah. And we have some diapers and wipes and stuff for you. Keandra just stole my entire heart. She's latched on to me.
You're not fussy.
Yeah.